Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to solve the workbook for chapter number 9, halves and quarter. Okay, so look at here. The question number 1 is put tick in the box given below the figure which shows the equal part, right? So we have to take those figures, those who are showing the equal part. Here is the first figure shows the two equal part, but the second one is not. In number 3, the first figure shows the equal part, but the second part it does not. Number 5, the first figure shows the four equal part, right? But the second figure does not show the equal part. In number 6, here we will identify, we'll observe that these are the four equal part. So we are going to take this, but this doesn't show the equal part. Then in number 4, first figure doesn't shows the equal part, but the second figure shows the three equal part. Same way in the second number, first figure shows the equal part, but the second number does not show the equal part. Now look at the question number 2. State which fraction is represented by the shaded portion in each of the following figure. So here we will write down the fraction this way, where the number written above the line is called the numerator and the number written below the line is called the denominator. This is the way we can show the fraction, right? So what is numerator? Numerator means the number of part which is taken from the total number of equal part, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts. So that's why we'll write it below the line. The total number of part would be right down below the line, which is known as denominator. A number of part which has been taken from the equal part is written above the line as a numerator. Okay. Now number 2, here we can observe that there are 4 equal part and from that we will take one part. Okay. Then number 3, there are 4 equal part and from this we have take all the parts. So that's why we'll write down 1. Or we can write down 4 upon 4, where 4 will cancel and 1 has been remained. So that's why we can say that this is the whole part. Then number 4, there from the 4 equal part we have to take 2 parts, right? 4 part में से 2 part हम लेते हैं. So 2 upon 4. This is the way. Number 5, here the whole part, right? From this whole part I have to take one part. तो मैंने उसमें से one part ले लिया है. So I can say that this is a half. Okay. This is also a half. Number 4 is also a half. How? 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So it is half. Again it's a half. From the 4 equal part we have take 2 parts are shaded so that the fraction for this figure is 2/4. How do you read this? 3/4, 1/4, whole, 2/4, half, 2/4. Now turn your page. Look at the question number 3. Do as per instruction. Number 1, draw line in half part of each figure. See, this is the half part, a half part. I haven't done it perfectly, but you have to draw this perfectly by using the scale, right? Number 2, draw dots in 2/4 part of each figure. Here is the denominator. 4 shows the denominator and 2 shows the numerator of the fraction. So we have to draw dots, right? In 2 parts from this 4 equal part, right? So you can take any of the 2. One, this 2 part, this 2 part, this 2 part. Any of the 2 part you will take, right? Next, number 3, color the 1/4 part of each figure. See, these are 4 equal parts. From that you have to shade the one part only. Any of the one part. Not this part, not only this, but you can take this part as 1/4. This part is also 1/4. This only part is also known as 1/4. Fine. So And number 4, color 3/4 part of each figure, right? So in the from the 4 equal part, you have to shade any of the 3 part. 1, 2 and 3. 3 part is there. 1, 2 and 3. 3 part is there. 2 and 3. 3 part is there. So any of the 3 part you can shade. Next, number 4, color the half part of each rectangle in the 5 different way. Now I have done 1, 2, 3 and 4. And fifth one you have to do it by yourself. Okay, use your imagination and make a half and color them. Okay. Next, color the 1/4 part of each rectangle in the different way. Right? यहाँ पे आपको 4 equal part बनाने हैं rectangle के, and you have to color it. Number 6, color half the number of the shape shown over here. Okay, so in this exercise you have to color the half part, right? Half of the shape. Like in this we are having 3, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total 18 circles are there. So what is the half of the 18? Is 9. So 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9. This much part of the circle has been colored. Or you can randomly take any of the shapes and color it. But make sure the random shape would be 18 only. Next is these are now flowers. Fine. So you have to color the half of them. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. From that you have to color the half of the part. Means any of the 5 shape from this you have to color it. Fine. Number 7, color the 1/4 of the given shape. Right, यहाँ से हमें 1/4 आपको color करने हैं. That means here there are 4 shapes. So 1/4 is one shape from this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so here is 1/4 of the given shape. Means what? Here we are going to divided them into 4 equal part. So each part having two shapes, right? So we are going to color the one part from this. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. So here is a 4 equal part, right? And you can shade any one of them, which shows the 1/4 of the whole shapes. Now turn your page. Question number 8, draw a line which divide these shapes into half. See here, that line is called the line of symmetry, which makes the 2 equal part of the figure. So I have already drawn for you. So here is the half, here is the half of the figure, here is a half of the figure, here. This is the way. You can draw it horizontally as well. So in some part, you can also draw the horizontal line. Here also, you can draw the horizontal line. Still, you will get the 2 equal parts. Same thing for here. Here also, you will draw the slanting line. Then you will get the 2 equal part of this figure. So it is up to you, and it is depends on the shape. If you are drawing the horizontal line over here, then you will not get the equal parts. So we have already learned about the line of symmetry. So in some picture you will get more than one line of symmetry, but in some of the picture you will get only one. Okay. Number 9 question, draw the other half of the picture. You have to show the same half on the other side. Now you will try this exercise by yourself. Number 10, match the following, which we have already solved in the textbook. Still, I am going to explain it. This is called half because there are 4 equal parts. From that, 2 parts are shaded. So we can half. Half means 1/2. Then next is 1/4, or we can say quarter. That means 1/4. From the 4 equal part, 1 part has been shaded. So this is called quarter or 1/4. This is called whole. Whole means 4/4. And this is called 3/4. Means from the 4 equal part, 3 parts are shaded. So this is called 3/4, means 3/4. 4. Now look at the next part, next exercise. Dipti's father brought a cake and she divided the cake into 4 equal parts for herself, her brother Vishal, her father and her mother. On its basis, answer the following question as per the instructions. Okay, here is a birthday scene and they all are looking very happy because they are having cake. Okay, so here are the questions. So let's begin with the first number. Colors each share with the different colors, right? You have to color the each share. Figure A. Where is figure A? Yes, here is a figure A with different shade. So ये figure को आपको color करना है 4 different part में. How much does each get? तो हर एक को कितना मिलेगा 1/4 because there are 4 equal parts from that everyone take the 1 part, so this is called 1/4. Mother gave her share of cake to Dipti. Now color the total part that Dipti will get. Okay, mother gave her share of cake to Dipti. मतलब मम्मी अपना शेयर दीप्ति को दे रही है. नाउ कलर द टोटल पार्ट द दीप्ति विल गेट. तो दीप्ति को कितना मिलेगा? मम्मी है, मदर कौन है? ये रहा और ये दीप्ति, तो मम्मी भी दीप्ति को दे रही है. सो दैट पार्ट वुड बी दिस. तो उसको हम कलर कर रहे हैं. Now look at the question number 4. Apart from this, color the share Vishal got. Okay, अभी विशाल को कितना मिला? So Vishal got apart from this. ये सब लेती देती के बाद विशाल को कितना मिला? विशाल को तो 1/4 ही मिला है. So we are going to color it and write down here 1/4. Now next is how much of the cake do Dipti and Vishal together? Dipti के पास 2/4 है and Vishal के पास 1/4 है. So we are going to add them together like this. So they will get the 2/4. ये रहा Dipti का part. See. And this is the Vishal's part. So total we can say 1, 2 and 3, 3/4. And this is the way you can show the calculation. Okay, next number 12. Share 1 liter milk in given 4 bottles equally, and how much milk do each bottle hold, and write it and also mark the level of milk with the pencil in each bottle. Right? Pencil से हर एक bottle में उसका level आपको mark कर देना है. ठीक है? This is the 1 liter and you have to divide them into 4 bottles. तो यहाँ पे 4 part आएंगे 1, 2, 3 and 4 because this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4 make 1 liter. I had already discussed this thing in a textbook, so please check out the previous video, part 1 video of this chapter. Okay, I had explained each and everything in very detail. So we will move on. Number B. Pour the milk as per the measure given below into the bottle having the capacity of 1 liter and shade the level of milk in each bottle. Right? This is the half liter and the 3/4 of liter like this. Now next, number 13A. Represent 2/4, 1/2, 1/4 and 1/3 part on the part of a 20 centimeter scale given below. See, half. What is the half of the 20 is 10 over there, right? And there are 20. So what is the 1/4? 5, 10, 15 and 20. So there are 4 equal parts from that. Here is a 1/4 and here is a 3/4. Number B, taking a 1 meter string on which number do 1/2, 1/4 and 3/4 part comes. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right? So here is 100 centimeter. That means you have to make the 4 equal parts, which is 25 each. So 1/4, half and 3/4. Half means 50 and 3/4 means 75 centimeter. Now number 14. Use the given metal weight to balance the scale. Okay, तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड रिमेंबर दैट 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. 1 किलो का मतलब होता है 1000 ग्राम. नाउ वी हैव टू बैलेंस देम 2 kg, right? So on the opposite side also we need 2 kg. So how can you take? You will take 1 kg, 500 gram and 500 gram, which makes 2 kg. You can use any of the combination to make 2 kg on the opposite side. Not now look at here in the second balance. Here is a 1/4 kg. 1/4 kg means 250 grams. So on opposite side we have to take 250 gram of the weight. Then the balance, the scale will be balanced. 3/4 means 750 gram. So 500 gram plus 250 gram. Half kg means 500 gram. So after putting this balance will the scale will be balanced. Fine. So I had already discussed this thing in a detail in the previous video. So please check out the previous part of this chapter. So you will get a nice idea. Now look at the next question. Question number 15. Answer the following question. If one cake costs rupees 200, then how much does 3/4 part of the cake cost? Cost of one whole cake is rupees 200. Then cost of 3/4 cake is question mark. So here 200 of 3/4. That means 200 multiplied by 3/4 is equal to 150. Half. Because देखो cover the, when we are cover the zero, we can easily see that 4 5s are 20 and put the cover 0. So here is a 50, and here again while you are doing the multiplication, cover the 0. 5 3s are 15 and add the covered 0. Number 2. If one watermelon costs rupees 100, then how much does 1/4 part of the watermelon cost? Cost of one watermelon is equal to rupees 100. Then cost of 1/4 part of the watermelon is question mark. So here one watermelon. So rupees 100 of 1/4 part of the watermelon. So we are going to do the multiplication of both, right? So 24 5s are 100 and 25 1s are 25. So rupees 25 is the cost of the 1/4 part of the watermelon. Number 3. If 1 dozen mango cost rupees 120, then how much does half dozen mango cost? 1 dozen means 12 numbers of mango and half dozen means the adha. 12 ka half 6. Okay, so that is called the half dozen. Cost of 12 mango is rupees this. Then cost of 6 mango is question mark. So for that 120 multiplied by 6 divided by 12. So here is 12 tens are 120 and 10 6 are 60. So rupees 60 is the cost of the half dozen of the mango. Number 4. How much part does 1/4 part of the 2 liter of water mean? Okay, here is a 1/4 part of 2 liter of water. 2 liter water का कितना होगा? So here is 1/4 of 2 liter. Here 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. तो 2 liter means 2000 ml. So यहाँ पे हम 2000 से करेंगे. So 1/4 of 2000 ml is this, because we are doing the multiplication. 4 again we are going to cover the 0. 4 5s are 20 and put the covered 0. ये दो cover 0 किए थे हमने, वो रख दिए 5 के पीछे. So we are getting 500 ml, which is the half liter. Number 5. How much part does 3/4 part of the 4 liter of the milk mean? 3/4 part of 4 liter is 3/4 of 4. So 3 liter is the answer. There are 44 students in a classroom. Out of them, 3/4 part of the students are boys. Then how many girls are there in the classroom? First of all, you will understand these are the total number of students, in that some are girls and some are boys. But here the fraction has already mentioned that 3/4 part of the students are boys and rest of the part means 1/4 of that part is a girl. Okay, so then how many girls are there? So first of all we'll find out the boys. बॉयज़ को फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे और उसको फिर हम इसमें से माइनस कर देंगे टोटल स्टूडेंट्स में से, सो दैट वी विल गेट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. So 3/4 of 44 students are boys. So 3/4 multiply by 44. So 11 fours are 44 and 11 threes are 33. So 33 boys are there from 44 students. Now number of girls means 44 minus 33 is 11 girls. So this is the way we will get the total number of girls. Now number 7. There are 84 marbles in one box. Out of them, 1/4 part of the marbles are red. Then how many red marbles are there in the box? Okay, 1/4 of 84 marbles. So 1/4 multiplied by 84. And here, while we are doing the multiplication, we will get this. We will 2 4s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. So 21 marbles are there and there are 21 red marbles in the box. Because क्या बोला 1/4 part of the marbles are red. Then how many red marbles? So there are 21 red marble in a box. See, we have already find out the fractional part of this 84 marbles. So this is the way. Now number 8, Brijesh want to buy a pencil of ₹2. He gives ₹1 coin and 1/2 rupee coin and 1/4 rupee coin to shopkeeper. Is this amount enough for Brijesh to buy the pencil? Half of ₹1 coin is, see, first of all, ₹1 is equal to 100 paisa. So we have to multiply the fractional part with the paisa. So half of the 100 paisa is 50 paisa. 1/4 of 100 paisa is 1/4 multiplied by hundreds, which is 25 paisa. And total is 50 paise plus 25 paise is 75 paise. Okay. So यहाँ पर क्या बोला है? Brijesh gave ₹1 and 75 paisa, which is not enough amount. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? We have to find out pencil खरीदना है ₹2 का, तो वो enough है कि नहीं. So Brijesh has paid only ₹1 and 75 paisa, which is not equal to the ₹2, right? So that's why it is not possible to buy a pencil. Now look at the next page. Question number 9. Mihir did half of this homework on Monday and 1/4 homework on Tuesday. Then how much part of the total homework did he do in the 2 days, right? तो यहाँ पे देखो homework done on the Monday is half, ये पूरा, and homework done on the Tuesday is 1/4. That means there are 4 equal part. Half of the part has been done on Monday and 1/4 part has been done on Tuesday. So total homework 1/2 plus 1/4. So that is 3/4. 1, 2, 3 and 3/4 part has been done. Number 10. In a family, 3/4 part of the rice was used up to 24 kg rice in 1 week. Then how many kg rice is left over? So rice used in 1 week is 3/4 of 24, right? 3/4 of 24 means 3/4 multiplied by 24. 4 6 are 24 and 3 6 are 18 kg. So rice left after the use is 24 kg minus 18 kg is 6 kg. ठीक है. Now number 11. How many rupees does 1/4 part of the ₹440 means? हमें इसका fractional form है. So fractional form has been given. We have to find out in a numerical form. So 1/4 part of ₹440 is equal to 1/4 multiplied by 440. Do the cancellation and 110 we are getting. How? Because हमने क्या किया? Cover कर दिया 0. 11 4s are 44 and put the covered 0. So this is the way you can do the cancellation very easily. And you have to learn this trick because आगे यही use होने वाला है. So learn it right now. Number 16, answer the following question on the basis of the table given below. And from this table, you have to write down the question answer. See, this and this and this. This 3 example has been given in the textbook, right? So I'm not going to solve that. If you want to see this explanation, you have to check out my previous video of this chapter.
We will move to the third number question. What is the price of 3/4 kg carrots, right? The price of 3/4 kg carrots is here. The price of the 1 kg carrot is 16. So 3/4 of 16. 3/4 multiplied by 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. So rupees 12. Number 5. What is the price of the 3/4 kg of the pumpkin? Abhi, what is the cost of the 1 kg of the pumpkin is rupees 4. The cost of 3/4 kg of the pumpkin is rupees 3. See, do the multiplication. 4 4 cancel and 3 over there. Number 6. What cost less? 3 kg tomato or 1 kg of the pumpkin? First, we'll find out the price of this fractional part. Okay. So 1 kg pumpkin's price is rupees 4 and cost of 3 kg of tomatoes 3/4 of 8. So here 3 2s are 6. देखो यहाँ पे 4 2s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So rupees 6 and cost of 1 kg of pumpkin is less because it is 4 number rupees 4 is less than the rupees 6. Look at the next page, number 7. How much less is the price of half kg pumpkin than 3/4 kg tomatoes? The cost of half kg pumpkin is half of rupees 4, which is rupees 2. And cost of 3 kg of tomatoes is 3/4 kg of tomato is 3/4 kg multiplied by rupees 8. 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. So price of the half kg of pumpkin less than the 3/4 kg of tomato. अभी देखो लेस प्राइस कितनी कम है उससे, तो रुपीज 4 जितनी कम है, हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ मच मोर इज द प्राइस ऑफ 3/4 kg potato than half kg carrots. The cost of 3/4 kg of potato is 3/4 kg multiplied by 12, which is the cost of 1 kg of potato. And after the cancellation, 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So rupees 9 is the answer. Cost of 12 kg of carrots. हमें हमेशा फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में से न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट ऐसे ही फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो प्लीज कीप इट इन योर माइंड. Half of 16. So which is rupees 8. So more price of 3/4 kg potato than this is rupees 9 minus rupees 8, which is rupees 1. Okay, so this is it for this session. Next time we will start the new chapter. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.